Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery bracket. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Push both arms outward simultaneously to release the memory module to the spring tension position. Grasp the memory module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory module slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the memory module into its slot on the system board. Press the memory module down to latch the arms. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.